Millions of people are coping with the side effects of diabetic peripheral neuropathy. The terrible sensation of burning, tingling, or numbness in hands or feet often significantly impacts a person's everyday life. Though, diabetic neuropathy has no known cure. But a good treatment can slow the progression, relieve pain, manage complications, and restore function. Experience instant pain relief and welcome a healthier body with the Reflexol foot and calf massager from Human Touch. Shiatsu Deep Kneading is developed to transfer a powerful reflexology massage that brings the body back into its natural balance and help encourage the body's natural healing. The circulation figure 8 technology with heat allows fresh nutrients to travel and re-enter the calves and feet, and the blood from the feet toward the core of the body. The ergonomic design and warm air technology provides you a comprehensive, comfortable, and a professional foot massage. Shiatsu Massager gives you the freedom of selecting the intensity best suited for your needs. Completed with an adjustable tilt base for your perfect massage angle. Soothe, refresh, and relieve with the Soul Premium Massager from Human Touch. Order from the description below.